Okay, so after you get your box done, we usually set the brackets here on the wall, and in order to do so, you need to have this bracket at the proper height here, as well as 7 1/8 from the wall here. And it's a little bit awkward to hold with just one hand while you're doing this, so what we've done is we've actually made a jig. And the way the jig works is you set it up on the wall right here, and this block will mount to your bracket like so, and then you can set it on top of the wall and put it in place properly. Okay. Okay, you should be able to just go right into one of those holes. Yep, there you go. So by doing this, it's nice and level all the way across the pool, and then if we take the jig off and measure, we are exactly 7 1/8 on the bracket. So if we take this to the other side, we can do this the same way. Again, making sure that you are properly spaced out and level all the way across. You should be able to put that other one down, all right? Okay. And now once you have your brackets set in place, the box is designed to be able to fit right on top, right inside these U-shaped brackets, and we'll put it in place and I'll show you what you need to do at that point. All right, so now after you get your brackets on your pool wall, we will put the box inside the brackets, and then after that, we will be putting the coping around the track and then into the box itself. So if we lift this up and set this down, it's gotta go this way. There you go. So after you have your box in place, making sure your track space marks line up with the inside of your pool walls on both sides here, you'll be able to look down and see that it's right in line with your pool walls on the inside. Once you have this done, we can actually start on the third side of the pool, putting on coping, and then we'll finish up right here, right back at the box.